Hi there, and thanks for joining me. I'm Aaron, and in this video, we're taking a closer look at our big summer updates for the Data Productivity Cloud. Get ready to discover some powerful new tools and a few quality of life upgrades that will transform how you handle your data. Our first major update is the introduction of Maia, a powerful agentic AI platform that acts as your always-on workforce of data engineers. Maia helps you build new data engineering pipelines and augment your existing ones. By automating repetitive tasks, it allows you to deliver data faster and achieve significant productivity gains, freeing up your engineers to focus on higher value work. Maia isn't just for experts, it democratizes data integration, empowering anyone to interact with it and get immediate, relevant results. In the coming weeks, we'll be releasing in-depth guides on the channel to show you how Maia can assist with everything from building intelligent pipelines to operationalizing them, and even providing intelligent root cause analysis. Maia makes complex AI actions transparent and easy to understand. Next up, we have the new designer user experience. We've redesigned the navigation to be more intuitive and significantly improve performance across the Data Productivity Cloud. You'll immediately notice the new global navigation on the left, making it easy to access everything from your pipeline runs to your agent configurations, no matter where you are. We've also made significant under-the-hood improvements that result in considerably faster loading times. The canvas itself has been redesigned for a more open feel, and you can now access your pipelines via the new Files panel. The panel is fully customizable, allowing you to position it wherever you want, which really opens up the canvas and lets you focus on designing. These updates provide you with the space to work the way you want. Now let's have a look at a new AI component, the new Amazon OpenSearch Upsert component, which is now available. This component lets you upsert data converted into vector embeddings into an Amazon OpenSearch service index using the Amazon OpenSearch Service API. Currently, this component supports provisioned OpenSearch services. Supported embedding providers include Amazon Bedrock and OpenAI. New in the designer, you can now use the Metadata tab to view the name, data type, and size of each column in a component's output. To view the metadata, select the component on the canvas and click the Metadata tab at the bottom. You can also use the toggle switch to text mode, and the metadata information shown in text mode can be used as the basis for creating a table with the Create Table component. Remember, if you have any ideas or just want to see what's coming up in the Data Productivity Cloud, you can always view our public roadmap, where you can contribute ideas and upvote existing suggestions. We also have some new connectors in the Data Productivity Cloud, starting with the new Google Sheets connector. New features on this connector include storage as a destination, which enables seamless data transfer from Google Sheets to cloud storage. It also now has lineage support. This new component supersedes the Google Sheets query component, which is no longer available for new pipelines, though don't worry, existing pipelines using the Google Sheets query component will continue to work as expected. Also, Microsoft SQL Server Load and Postgres SQL Load join Salesforce Load and X-Ads Load as connectors that now offer incremental loading for Snowflake users. And we've also added new Flex connectors for Dropbox, Dynamics 365 Business Central, Microsoft Dataverse, Salesforce Pardot, and Zuora. So that's what's new in the Data Productivity Cloud. To see the full list of changes, take a look at the changelog. Make sure you subscribe to the Matillion YouTube channel to keep up to date with all the latest releases and guides. And to see what's coming up next with the Data Productivity Cloud, visit our public roadmap, where you can contribute ideas and upvote existing suggestions. And as always, to get started with Matillion, visit matillion.com.